The final expense market is mainly made up of people 50 and older. Most of the time, we're going to be selling whole life insurance policies, but there will be a situation where you can sell a universal life insurance policy. Welcome to the Final Expense Sales Academy, the hub for mastering the art of final expense life insurance sales. If you're looking to become a pro in the final expense industry, you're in the right place. My name is Kyle Williams, and I'm your host to go through the ins and outs of the final expense business, from tips to tricks to industry insights. We cover everything you need to close deals with confidence, provide true value to your clients, and become a better insurance agent. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on elevating your sales game one video at a time. Hey guys, on this episode, we are going to break down the different situations where you can sell a universal life insurance policy in the final expense market. So the final expense market is mainly made up of people 50 and older. Most of the time, we're going to be selling whole life insurance policies, but there will be a situation where you can sell a universal life insurance policy. A universal life policy is a great option for somebody who is very healthy, looking for permanent insurance, and they want more than $25,000 or $50,000. So before I dive in and talk about the different ways that we can sell a universal life insurance policy in the final expense market, I want to take a second and break down exactly what universal life insurance policy, what a universal life insurance policy is. So here is a simple way to break down a universal life insurance policy. It is a policy that is basically a combination of a term life insurance policy and a whole life insurance policy. They put it together and created this product. They took cost of insurance from term insurance, which is how much it costs to insure you at a certain age, and they took cash value from whole life insurance, put them together, and they created this product. Now, I'm going to throw out a warning here. If you do not know how to design a universal life insurance policy by setting the premium correctly, because you can make the premium whatever on a universal policy, which is why its nickname is this flexible premium adjustable life. It can just really be an expensive term policy that will expire on the individual when they get older. So make sure you know how to design the product before you start trying to sell it. So make sure you get with somebody or get some training on some whole life or on some universal life before you start soliciting it. That's just a fair warning here. So just make sure you understand how it's designed is the main thing, and know how to design it correctly. Thankfully, we have technology on our side today, and you can run the illustrations with the set premiums to make sure that the policy will last on a guaranteed basis with current interest rates for as long as it needs to, preferably deep into the hundreds. So that way, they're for sure not going to outlive it. So let's talk about some situations where somebody can sell a universal life insurance policy in the final expense market. First thing is somebody in their 50s or 60s looking for more than $25,000 in coverage. Now, they will need to be in pretty good health, so make sure you kind of vet that out before you start going down that road, because it's really hard to start pitching somebody universal life insurance and then go back to whole life insurance, because the premium can be a little significant. So you can really create a lot of value and get them a lot more coverage versus whole life by selling them a universal life insurance policy. The second thing is somebody looking for a lot of coverage, but a term policy just doesn't make sense in their mind. There's a lot of people that we see, and we tell them about the different types of insurance, and they're 100% anti-term insurance. They just do not see the value in it. They don't believe in wasting money. So a universal policy is a next viable option to help fill that gap before you get to whole life insurance. Again, make sure you know how to design the product so that way you're not just selling them an expensive term policy, because they will surely be mad at you if you do that. So these are just a couple situations that you can sell the universal life policy to the final expense market to the clients that you see. Now, notice I did not mention anything about blasting about the cash value for retirement, et cetera, that you see marketed all over the time on social media. We're not trying to do that for these final expense clients, and we don't need to be selling it that way, because these individuals do not have the money to overfund these policies, and oftentimes it's too late because they're too old and the cost of insurance is too high to get these massive returns that you can out of IUL policies and whatnot. So be very cognizant of how you propose it. I personally don't market that very much. Now, if it's somebody who's younger that has a lot of money and they want to overfund it, yeah, we'll do it, sure. But it's not a typical final expense clientele market that you'll see. So those are some situations that you can sell a universal life insurance policy. It's a great tool that you can use. You can catch some sales, you provide more value to clients. Just make sure you know how to design the product so that way it lasts the rest of their life, and that way we make sure that they're appropriately taken care of. So if you have any questions, comment below, reach out to me. If you receive something valuable here, share it with your friends, share it on social media, and be sure to subscribe so that way you catch all our latest content. And we will see you in the next episode.